Thinking about getting an air fryer but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? With over 200 models on the market, I get it. I'm about to save you hours of research and help you find your perfect match in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk size. This is absolutely crucial and where most people mess up. For singles or couples, a 2 to 4 quart model is perfect for daily meals and won't hog your counter space. Got a family of 4? You'll definitely want 5 to 6 quarts. Trust me, that 3-quart model will leave you cooking in batches every single night. Big family or love meal prepping for the week? Go for 7+ quarts or consider those trendy dual basket models that let you cook 2 different foods at once. Now for the features that separate good air fryers from great ones. Digital controls with preset cooking modes are a game changer. They take all the guesswork out of cooking chicken, fries, or vegetables. A viewing window is worth its weight in gold because you can check your food without opening the basket and losing heat. Make sure those baskets and trays are dishwasher safe because nobody wants to scrub stuck-on food by hand. And here's a pro tip. Multi-function models that can roast, grill, dehydrate, and even bake are basically replacing multiple appliances. Here's why air fryers are genuinely worth the hype. They cook up to 25% faster than your regular oven, which means dinner's ready quicker on busy weeknights. You'll use up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying, so you can enjoy crispy foods without the guilt. And here's something nobody talks about. They're absolutely incredible for reheating leftovers without making them soggy like microwaves do. Your day-old pizza and chicken wings will taste fresh again. Ready to transform your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button for more honest appliance reviews and kitchen guides, and definitely check the description below. I've linked my top air fryer picks for every budget and family size. Your crispier, healthier meals are just one click away.